All right, this is Barney here with Russell Real Estate, and today I wanted to talk about why I think real estate investing is better than investing in the stock market. So, I do invest in the stock market, full disclosure, and I think that if you really want to diversify your portfolio and mitigate risks, that is a smart idea to do both. But the reason why I prefer real estate investing over investing in the stock market is this. First of all, it's a real tangible asset. I know that in the areas that I buy real estate, I would be okay living in and I would be okay having my family live in. So if worst comes to worst and somebody needs a place to stay, there's actually something that I can do with that asset, as opposed to owning a stock where essentially to me it's just numbers on a screen. Second, I actually can influence the value of that real estate. I can't pick it up and move it, so to speak, but I can actually improve the property by fixing it up, by remodeling, doing whatever, adding an addition. I could do a lot of different things with that property that will actually affect the value of the home, as opposed to a stock where I'm reliant completely on a company or several companies if I'm buying index funds, where I don't know what they're doing. I hope and assume that they're doing everything correctly, but you don't know if you got, the next Enron or anything like that then. The third reason is that I can actually affect how I buy the property. So if I find an off-market deal, or even if it's an on-market deal and I just get lucky, I can actually buy that property below what market value is. That's not the case for stocks. Basically, it is what it is, and you're going to pay that price. By the same token, I would actually say that I can leverage the property. And I can do that several times over. But basically, you're never going to be able to pay for a stock and have only pay like a partial payment. So say you were putting 25% down for a real estate investment property, which of course you don't always have to put that much down. But even if the property is worth $100,000, that means you would have to put down $25,000. The bank is going to pay the other $75,000, and then the tenant is going to pay that $75,000 off that you owe over time. So you're all in for $25,000. That asset's going to go up in value over time, and between the bank and the tenants, they're paying that off for you. You're not going to be able to buy a $100 stock for $25 and have somebody else front the rest. So that's the other reason why I prefer real estate investing. And lastly, there are different options. So like you could get dividend stocks. Well, that's what I consider cash flow for your rental income. You can, hope that a stock is going to go up in value, but that's what I call home price appreciation. And then you also have all of your write-offs for real estate as well, whether it's for tax benefits. You could do cost segregation, where you're depreciating, the value of certain components of the home at a more rapid pace then too. So there are a lot of things that you could do to offset your earned income with real estate that I'm just not as familiar with and don't think that you can do with stocks. So that's just the main reasons why I prefer investing in real estate. Yes, it is going to require more work. So that's why, again, it's not all pros for real estate and no cons. Unless you're paying a property manager, which there's an expense to that, you are going to at least have some times where you're going to have to be a little more active in real estate investing than you are truly passive just buying a stock. But I think that the returns are worth it with real estate. If you have any questions on real estate investing, or if you're just looking to buy or sell in the Cleveland, Ohio or Northeast Ohio market, let me know and I'd be happy to talk. Thanks.